I'm going to show you guys what I use to ship out not only my stickers, but also my bookmarks. I forgot to mention that, but it's basically the same process. So the first thing I like to start off with is a clear envelope. So this one is specifically for bookmarks because bookmarks are slightly bigger than, stickers. So I use these. I don't remember the size or the dimensions, but I will put it somewhere here. So I have these for my bookmarks. And then I also have 4x4 for my stickers. So these are tinier. I've got both of these sizes from Paper Mart. And I believe I got them I want to say 2 years ago. And I think I got 2 cases, and I just finished 1 case of them. So they last you a long time because there's 1,000 in each. I don't remember how many you get for this size. I don't know if it's the same, but either way, they last a long time. So I definitely recommend Paper Mart if you want to get clear envelopes. I'll either link Paper Mart, and I'll probably link an Amazon link as well that are similar, in case anyone wants to shop on Amazon instead. Because I think with Paper Mart you have to pay shipping. I'm not too sure. Like I said, I purchased 2 years ago, so I can't really remember. I like to use clear envelopes because they protect the product. So in case the package ever gets wet, the product will be safe. So I definitely recommend using clear envelopes. And then second thing I use are these envelopes. So in my original video, I used the regular type of envelopes, but I started using these because those, the adhesive, it's the ones where you lick it and then, close it up. I felt like they didn't work that well, or it didn't work that well. I don't know if they dried out or I don't know, but I didn't really like that. So I ended up getting these, and I got it in a bigger size as well to be able to ship stickers too. I was able to ship stickers through the regular envelope, but they were a little snug. So I just feel like this is a better size. So these, I believe, I got from, I think they were Amazon. And again, I will link everything I mentioned in this video in my description. I use these for both products, both bookmarks and stickers. So after that, I like to include a little thank you note. I made these a long time ago, but I like to include all my social media handles, and I also put snap, share, and tag so that they could take a picture of the product and tag me, depending on where they post. I also have a little reminder to leave a review in case they like their product, and it has worked pretty effectively. Had a few reviews where they take photos with this thank you card. A lot of people think it's really cute. Also has in the back a little thank you message. I used to handwrite it out, but I realized that was taking too long, especially when I had a lot of orders. So I just printed it out, and then I would just handwrite the customer's name and then my name at the bottom. I would definitely consider either making thank you cards or purchasing them. I actually have a product in my shop that are little thank you cards. So this is an example of a customer's thank you cards that I made for them. So it has a little thank you for your order, and then I include their logo, and it would be your website, and then your social media handle. And I can customize this, so if you don't want all the social media handles, I can remove some of them. Or if you just want to include your URL, I can also do that. You can basically choose the color of the font. This is another example where I customized it because they only wanted the Instagram handle included. Will be available in my description if you are interested. But either way, I highly recommend using some kind of thank you card or business card. After it's all nice and packaged, I like to include a little thank you sticker. And I usually put one of these on the flap. So once I have it, closed up, I'll put it on the flap, so that way I know people will see it because they have to open it that way. It's just a little nice touch to remind them or to thank your customer. These I made myself. I don't I don't think I have them listed anymore, but if you are interested, you can always message me, and I can definitely put them back. I usually just use the ones that were kind of like I kind of messed up. I can't really see where I messed up with these. But yeah, I just use the ones because I don't like being wasteful. So I just use the ones that I messed up. So the ones I wouldn't sell to other people, I just use them myself. My packaging is pretty minimal. I don't like including too much stuff because I realize that like all of it ends up in the trash anyway. So I don't see the point in, you know, putting so much money into the packaging itself. I just do like the bare minimum. Like I just want their customers' products to arrive safely. And then just add a few, you know, personal touches to it. I've gotten a lot of reviews, so I think my method is pretty effective, if I do say so myself, without being overly costly, you know. Yeah, that's basically it.